And why the taxi people are facing problem is, number one, it's because of the rent a car which has gone basak, I will say. I'll admit that. There are too many rent a cars. Accidents on the roads also maximum have been caused by them, Speaker sir.
No.
It's not that.
one thing.
When
one thing, Speaker sir,
see,
2018 and Tumutte, your predecessor did a mistake. Whoever was it, I also don't know who was your predecessor to that. Will you stop that now? If it was
I
illegal?
already stopped.
No, but पहिली आहे तिथली बंद करो. It is illegal, but it's not permitted to do that under the MV Act.
I will, Speaker sir, this issue I have to examine legally also.
No, legally, no, you do
I will take all the
Let him
inputs and
complete.
then take. Already I have stopped, but whether I can permanently stop.
Further. Already that is
Further.
illegal. Illegality.
My dear leader of position, I am also equally concerned as much as you. The safety of the Goan people and Goan roads is much more important than anything else. If you look at the record of accidents, maximum accidents, Speaker sir, have been caused by them. It's not only drunken driving, it's that people who don't know to drive want to get the cars on the road. Goa they think is heaven. So that particular thing has to stop.